Hi, I am really excited to tell you about this tea. I received it from ENZO. It's actually ENZO Tea Master Reserve, and they sent me this tea so that I could try it, taste it, give you my opinion about it. And so this is fun. It's kind of a wild berry, alpine, kind of holiday looking blend. The actual flavor is called cherry cranberry, and it's so good. It is a loose tea, and it's also got apple, grape, cranberry, cherry, of course, strawberry, hibiscus. And so I am going to steep a cup right now. This has got a fruity, very fruity flavor. So I've got a, this is what it looks like. And I have got a tea infuser, and all it takes is 1 teaspoon, and this is about a teaspoon, and I put it in my tea infuser and put that on there, and let me get some boiling water. I've got my tea infuser in my mug here, and we're gonna pour some hot water. Okay, we're making tea, and I can smell the berry, the apple. It smells so good. I would normally let this steep about 3 minutes, but I'm too impatient. That tastes so good. I do want to show you on the package too. When you get this brand, they give you this caffeine gauge, so you can see that this one in particular is very, very, very low caffeine, which is great. So this is really tasty. I do. I love this. Love it, love it. I'm trying the other flavors too. Love this.